The United States Constitution is the supreme law of the United States of America. It was adopted on September 17, 1787, by the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The Constitution establishes the framework for the federal government and outlines the rights and protections provided to citizens. The Constitution consists of a preamble and 7 articles. The preamble explains the purpose of the Constitution, which is to establish a more perfect union, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, provide for the general welfare, and secure liberty and prosperity. Article 1 establishes the legislative branch of government, known as Congress. Congress is composed of the House of Representatives and the Senate, and has the power to make laws, levy taxes, and regulate commerce. Article 2 establishes the executive branch of government, headed by the President of the United States. The President is responsible for enforcing the laws passed by Congress and is also the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. Article 3 establishes the judicial branch of government, headed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has the power to interpret the Constitution and to determine the constitutionality of laws. Article 4 outlines the relationship between the states and the federal government. It also guarantees that each state will have a form of government that ensures that citizens of that state are entitled to the same rights and privileges as citizens of any state. Article 5 outlines the process for amending the Constitution. Amendments must be proposed by either 2/3 of both houses of Congress or by a convention called for by 2/3 of the state legislatures. Amendments must be ratified by 3/4 of the states. Article 6 establishes the Constitution as the supreme law of the land and requires that all government officials take an oath to support it. Finally, Article 7 outlines the process for ratifying the Constitution. It requires the approval of 9 of the 13 original states for the Constitution to take effect. The Constitution also includes a Bill of Rights, which consists of the first 10 amendments. The Bill of Rights guarantees individual rights such as the freedom of speech, religion, and the press, the right to bear arms, and protection against unreasonable search and seizure. If you're interested in learning about the Bill of Rights, watch this video next, right here.